Oh, that was me. Sorry.
Get out of here before I book
I think this was just another bus.
Whoa!
I know it sounds sappy, but it's true. You know, once you have a kid, everything changes. Your whole world. You'll see when you have kids. It freaks me out. This tiny thing, it's so fucking vulnerable. Like I tell my old lady, we have kids on everything. And I'll tell you, I'm on her case.
Whoa, shit! I am so clumsy.
Hey, I just gotta tell you, you look fabulous.
Really?
Wow, you look great!
What have you done to my precious flowers? Am I throwing money away? Do you know what you've done? Do you have any idea how much these Casablanca lilies cost? Did you leave your brain at home this morning? Did you? Are you even listening to me? Don't pardon me. Do you know how much these are worth? Do you understand being fired? I can't have someone incompetent in charge of my garden. How can you call yourself a gardener? You can go now. Go, now.
No, because...
Yes, see. No cutting the lilies.
No, because su marido...
Don't babble it.
All units 1031. An APB has been issued for an escaped felon. CTOS is tracking the suspect's coordinates. Approach with extreme caution.
How dare you? Just go. Fire!
Hands where I can see you.
Me? Maybe you ought to double check your info.
We're just going to
this
take
is what
you
it
down
comes
to the
down.
station.
Nobody better
Have a
be
little
filming
talk.
this.
Wow, keep doing your
Go
thing.
Not
with me.
afford an attorney. One will be appointed for you.
You changing the molecules out here. Hey, you are bringing the sun out today.
No. You're as good as dead. What, you think you're tough?
911, please
Let's
state your
do this.
emergency. Hello?
Fucking
Are you
back
still there?
here, okay?
Hello?
Did you get
Pass
that?
this on.
Hey, calm down, all right?